On November 30th, members of the Natural Products Association, NPA, met on a conference call with FDA officials to talk about a recent ruling by the agency to ban the marketing of NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, a popular anti-aging supplement, due to it being investigated currently as a pharmaceutical drug. Welcome to Longevity Brief, brought to you by House of Longevity, your source for the latest news in the anti-aging and longevity fields. Now, let's get into it. During the meeting, NPA President Dan Fabricant challenged the assertion that U.S. law prohibits ingredients to be included in dietary supplements after being authorized for investigation as a new drug. According to the letters from the FDA rejecting the request of several supplement makers to include NMN, the prohibition doesn't apply if the ingredient was lawfully marketed before it was the subject of clinical investigations. The NPA provided documents that may help prove this, including patents related to NMN, as well as a company announcing in 2018 that its ingredient was generally recognized as safe, or GRAS. Following the meeting, Fabricant requested the FDA open a docket that will allow interested parties to submit evidence to the agency about the current presence of NMN in food and supplements. This could prove that NMN was legally marketed before it was authorized for investigation as a drug. Kara Welch, head of the FDA's Office of Dietary Supplement Programs, said in an email that her agency would review and respond to the NPA's request. Fabricant said he was troubled by the FDA's lack of communication with industry stakeholders before making its blanket decision. In a suspicious about-face, the FDA had accepted a new dietary ingredient notification for NMN in May of this year, before reversing that decision after linking it to MetroBiotech's MIB 626, which is a form of NMN. MetroBiotech, of which David Sinclair is a co-founder and advisor, is studying the efficacy of MIB 626 on Alzheimer's and Friedreich's ataxia, a disease that causes progressive nerve damage. David Livingston, CEO of MetroBiotech, said the recent letter from the FDA to Inner Mongolia Kingdom Way Pharmaceutical Limited protecting NMN as an ingredient authorized for study as a drug speaks for itself, and that his company will abide by their adjudication on the matter. To date, David Sinclair has remained silent on the controversy. Watch this space for updates on the NMN Ban drama, and subscribe to this channel so you never miss a Longevity Brief.